Today we're going to talk about getting rid of some of that pesky mildew smell that happens every spring and summer in your car. Usually that's caused by moisture buildup inside the evaporator core of the air conditioner. The most simple and effective way to get rid of that is simply use one of the products on the market. This one is Pure Air, and the way you use that is you actually want to spray the air intake going into the car and the vents. To use it is very simple. The air intake vents are usually somewhere around your wiper arms. To use the product, you just simply take and you spray the aerosol into the vents. But that's only half the story. Now we need to move inside the car. Once inside the car, the same product will be used to spray inside the vents. It's best to do all the vents inside the vehicle. From there, simply start the car and turn and allow it to circulate through the evaporator core, and that should displace the mildew smell.